Hello children, in the previous class we have completed our page number 9 textbook in the textbook. So page number 9 exercises all we have completed. All of you open your textbooks, take your pencils. Today we are going to learn about the page number 10 in the textbook. All of you can open your term books, the textbook, the page number 10. Here the Roman match the columns. So Roman number D, the capital D Roman, we can start today. So here we have written on the board the match the columns. So first one is color, C-O-L-O-U-R, color, W-A-T-E-R, water, R-E-A-D, read, R-I-D-E, ride, S-K-I-P, skip. And this side we have written the column B, the plants, a book, a row, a picture, a bicycle. So let us do the matching. So the first one already we have completed in our textbook, color. So color means the answer is a picture. Color a picture. So this is the answer for this. You can draw a line with the pencil. Color a picture. Second one is water. So what will do the water? The plants, a book, a row, a bicycle. So the answer is the plants. Water the plants. From here to you can draw the line up to here. Water the plants. Read. Read. What we have to read? A book or a row, a bicycle? Yes, read means a book. Read a book. R-I-D-E, ride. Ride a row or a bicycle? So, the answer is a bicycle. Ride a bicycle. And the last one is skip. So, only one answer here we have. So, we can draw the line. So, skip. Skip a row. So here are the answers. One more time I will repeat color, a picture, water, the plants, read, a book, ride, a bicycle, skip, a row. So the matching is completed for us. So we will go to the next Roman. So children, this is the Roman, the next Roman after matching. Here we have spell it right. Tick the correct word to name the pictures. Here they have given the 3 pictures for us. We have to tick the correct picture word. We have to tick the correct word. So here we have the picture of so here the picture is crow. So look at this picture. This is a crow picture. It's not a crocodile. So here we have the 2 names. Crocodile, crow. So you have to give the tick mark to the correct answer like this. C-R-O-W, crow. This is a picture of a crow. And the second one is, so what is this picture? Yes, here you can see a small baby in a cradle. So what do we say that picture? That is crate or cradle. So the correct answer is cradle. So that is called as a cradle, not a crate. So this is the correct answer. You give tick mark like this. And the third picture is, this is a picture of a bird. What is this picture? Yes, this is a picture of a crane, not a crow. Here they have given the one wrong answer and another one is right answer. So this is not a crow, this is a crane. So you can give the tick mark to the correct answer, crane. So we have completed our spell it right E Roman. We have completed this paper. Now you can turn to the 11th page of the textbook. So this is the grammar. The next page, page number 11, the grammar part. So label the picture, choose words from the box. Here already they have given in the box the answers. We have to choose the correct word and then you have to write in the blanks.
They have given the blanks here near to the picture. So we have to write the correct answers from this box. The first one is, what is this picture? Here we can see the picture of a bird. Yes, this is a bird picture. So here you have the answer B-I-R-D, bird. You have to choose this answer and you have to write the answer in this blank. B-I-R-D, bird. Now another one is, what is this picture here? Yes, this is a kite picture. So answer is here. So the kite answer you write from the box to here in the blank. And the another one is, so here we can see one. See, this is a what picture here? Yes, this is a teddy. So the answer here, T-E-D-D-Y, teddy. You have to choose the teddy and then you have to write the answer in the blank. And if we go near to the pond, here in this pond, here what is this? This full we can see, what is this one? Yes, this is a 2 ducks are also swimming in this box. So what is this is? This is a pond. So the answer P-O-N-D, pond, you can write here P-O-N-D, pond in this blank. And then we'll go to here. What is this picture? Yes, this is a ball. So ball spelling B-A-L-L, ball. You choose that ball. You have to fill up in the blank. And then the grass. What is this here? This is a grass. Already they have written the answer grass. So you no need to write again. Now we'll go to next blank. So what is this here? You can see what is this picture? Yes, it is a baby. So here you have the blank and the answer B-A-B-Y you note down and you write in this blank B-A-B-Y, baby. So we have filled all the answers in this. So yes, I forgot here one more is there ma. So here we have the picture, another picture you have. What is this picture? Yes, this is a dog. D-O-G, dog, you can write here. So we have completed all our blanks. We have written the baby, yes. Kite, we have completed here. Bird, here it is. Dog, here it is. Ball, here it is. Pond, here it is. A teddy, and here it is. And the finally grass, that is already has completed. So we have completed our textbook page number 11.
So all of you next turn to the page number 12. So here we have, look at the pictures and read the words. Here the G Roman Nana, add yes to make many words. We have to add yes. See, now here we can see, what do you mean by adding s? So if you add yes for a word, it will becomes into the plural form. So this is one object and this is many objects. So one object is there means that is singular form. Only we are saying about one object. One object, one person, one animal, one thing, anything. We are saying discussing about only one means. So suppose a chalk piece is there, only one. So this is singular. Suppose I am showing the two. So this is plural forms, means more than one. Suppose the objects are more than one, that is called as plural forms. Only one object is there means this is singular. Only one things. Suppose I am saying about more than one. It might be more than two. More than one means it might have 2 or 5 or 10. Whatever will be there, but many objects. So when we are discussing about many objects, then we have to add there yes. So the small letter yes, if we add to the word, it will become into the many objects, means plural forms. This is singular, means we are saying about only one object. And this is many objects, means plural form. So we are adding yes here. For example, boy, only one boy. If we add yes to that, boys. So there are, it might have 2 boys or 10 boys or 5 boys, whatever will be there. So that is plural form, more than one. So boy, boys. The first one already it is written in your books. So you no need to write there. So from second one onwards you can write there. So the second word is tree, T-R-E-E, tree. So we are adding yes to this. Same word and we are adding yes means it will become trees. This is plural form. This is single tree, only one. Here trees, there are many trees. One tree, many trees. One boy, more than one, boys. Another one is kite, K-I-T-E, kite. That is only one kite. And here we can see if we add S means kites. That is plural form, there are more kites. Another one, B-I-R-D, bird. This is only one bird. Here we can see birds. There are many birds. B-I-R-D-S, birds. Bird, birds. Toy, T-O-Y, toy. So here T-O-Y-S, toys. There are many toys. The children are playing with many toys. Another one is last one, F-L-O-W-E-R, flower. Here only one flower. Here we can see many flowers. F-L-O-W-E-R, we are adding S to this. So one flower, many flowers. One boy, many boys. One kite, many kites. One tree, many trees. So like this, these are the many objects we are called as plural forms. One object we are called as singular forms.